Jessica. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to our kitchen, and this is the Half Pint Soup. Today we are making homemade falafels. If you've never had a falafel, you are missing out. Falafels are one of those things that if you have it for the first time and it's kind of dry and a little bit crispy, you might not love it. But if you've had a good falafel, you will be a fan for life. Are you ready?
Okay, so the first thing we need for our falafel is about 6 cloves of minced garlic. And we need 2 cups of an onion, which I'll cut while you do that. Put those 2 cups of onions into the Ninja.
I don't think this is Andra.
Add your 6 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to pulse that until it's really chopped up. We don't want it to be like completely pureed. Pour out that onion and garlic mixture onto this paper towel so we can get the liquid out. There we go. Good job. Smush it a little bit. Get some of the liquid out. Whoa, look at all that liquid.
Good.
So pour your can of chickpeas in there. Took out the onions, drained off the liquid. And add the chickpeas back to the Ninja. Good job. Rip up that parsley in little pieces, and you can keep the stems too. Just rip it all up in small pieces. Put all that parsley in there on top of the chickpeas. Good job. What's that?
Cumin.
Cumin. 2 teaspoons of cumin.
Chili powder.
1/4 teaspoon chili powder. Add that in there.
Stop.
1 teaspoon of salt. Add that in.
Wow.
Put the lid back on, and we want to pulse it. We don't want it completely pureed, so push that one. Again. Keep doing it. Okay, so add that onion mixture back into there. There we go. And we're going to pulse it some more. Okay, so now you're going to add 1/3 cup of flour. Oh, you want to do that first? 2 teaspoons baking powder. Very good. It's okay. 1/3 cup of flour. We're going to pulse it some more. Take your spatula and we're going to scrape that out into the bowl, and then we put it in the fridge for about an hour. It smells so good. We'll just fry these up, smush them down a little bit. 3 or 4 minutes on each side.
Everything is fast.